Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can back up data on the Sleep as Android app. To back up your data, go into Settings, here go into Services, and you can choose Local Storage Backup. To start a backup on the local storage, you can export data, which will create a backup of your data, which afterwards you can of course import, which will of course import the backup later on. Another option is to upload it to the cloud, which will normally of course prompt you to install Sleep Cloud, their affiliated cloud app. You can look, for example, in Cloud Backup. You can set it up here. There will be another video on this. But on local storage, you can of course also download data from Google Fit, which if you have the integration set up, it would have been uploaded there, which the integration is also in Services. Just turn on Google Fit and it will just turn it on for you. Same with Google Calendar. When you turn it on, it will prompt you to choose the account you want to use, and then there you can also choose to upload sleep data to your calendar. That way your calendar will have a separate category which you can toggle the visibility of, where you'll be able to see the sleep data of the given day. Similarly with Health Connect, of course. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.